countries. America is trying to push this now for last 6 years, but their total numbers are 1100 worldwide. Last 6 years. In last 4 years, only in India, we have created 600. My target is 2000 in next 2 years. Certificate in project risk management, CRTPRM. And then similarly, it will go for ERM. So the models which you see here, there are 3 models you will see. One is the COSO model, Committee of Sponsoring Organizations of Tradeway Commission, COSO. They came out with the 2003, and these are the 5 institutions. American Institute of Certified Public Accounts and blah, blah, blah. You can see this. And then, of course, COSO, ERM, FAIR, I don't have time to talk, strategic operations, reporting, and compliance. These are the 4 areas. And then on the right-hand side, you have these business line, driver, decisions, and objective setting, event identification, all that thing. COSO framework, 2004. The second is European model, Institute of Risk Management. This is a UK model. They have similar things. They have grouped this into different areas, which you see here. Words are here and there. Basically, they're similar. Their terminology may be a little different, but basically they're same. Similar. Third one, it has come with the ISO stamping called ISO 31000. And here again, you will see this as in the center, framework, principles, framework, process. This is the process, identification, analysis, evaluation, treatment. How does it go here? How does it go here? Framework, design of framework, implement, monitor, continuous principles. What should you do? And that's what it is, the end. I am closing this session at 4:40, before that, so that you can.
Okay, friends, before you finish, can you ask a question to yourself? Are you creating a risk for yourself? Let us be practical now. Are you a risk to yourself? How many of you play rummy or contract beach? Contract beach is a game, of cards. You have to insure yourself. To me, I think, what I have to get from your lecture is, let me tell you, I was in the selection of a bank chairman. And what I have been told is that those who are doing banking courses, and they are available to all of you, you must do a course from IBF, Institute of Banking and Finance, IIBF. It's not an expensive course, hardly 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. But if you do that, then you start as a probationary officer. When you start as a probationary officer, you start very, very high. You got the point? Otherwise, in the life, where you start is very, very important. If you start here, you go there. If you start here, half of your life will be over by the time you come here. So where you start is very important. And for that, I think you have to put all your energies. And not only for insurance, banking and finance people, everyone can be can do that certificate. Now you create an opportunity, it is for you to take that job or not. You got the point? You decline that job. But first, Rabindranath Tagore, how many of you have heard the name of Rabindranath Tagore? You have heard. His brother was there, and also Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was there. So when Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and the brother of Rabindranath Tagore, Avinash Chandra Tagore, when they were talking to their parents, they told that, Rashtra Bhakti is important, ICS is not important. But parents told them first that you first pass ICS and then tell this. So both of them appeared. Netaji also appeared. Netaji also passed. And Avinash Chandra Tagore also passed. Avinash Chandra Tagore continued to be there in the Home Office, dealing with Indian matters, whereas Netaji, was a different kind of person. But for you, I think you should create 4 or 5 options. That's the point I was submitting. It is up to you what you want to do, whether you want to become an entrepreneur, you want to go abroad, you want to do a course of higher order, you want to go to bank but don't want to go to a consulting company. It's all up to you. But please create some add-ons which make you different from others. Differentiation. Strategy is not to teach. Strategy is to practice. If we have taught you strategy, but you have not applied it, then what is the purpose of teaching that strategy? Nothing. So what is your strategy for life? I am telling this. I never thought like that when I started like you. But you can understand that if you plan, that I can tell you with great confidence, whatever you plan for your life today, you will be ending up very close to that. And nobody can tell that only X will get that and Y will not get that. No. It's a different thing that some people may have to work hard to get the same thing and some people may be lucky. But it's not that there certain things are designed only for certain people. That's not true. And therefore I request you, all of you, to do these extra courses, do that banking course. There is a certificate course, NIPM. It does a course on human resource management. You understand, if you do that course and you are going for an interview, and there you will find people from that ilk only. And if you say, I have done that, will they be happy or unhappy? They will be very happy. You will just get separated out. So I think give an opportunity to interviewers to see that you are different. And they don't have to struggle to say that you are better than others. You just get separated out. The banking course is there, HRM course is there, there are courses on marketing. Those who want to go to analytics, they can go, business analytics course, I think they can do. There are several courses, I think. And my request to you would be that you should do, because time that you give to classroom and the work that you do, that is only 6 hours work. You must work for 12 to 14 hours a day. Then only you will get tired and you will get a good sleep. If you don't work, then what will happen is that you will be wasting your time, in many other pursuits. They are not good things. And therefore I think, yes, I agree. You must mingle. Because peer learning is very, very important. As you might have heard, Mr. Modi was talking the other day. You become becomes, you become the same thing, which you know when you live with others. If that be the case, I think, try to improve, I think, your imagination and thinking. And don't say that this can be done only when I am in America, this can be done only when I am born in that family, this can be done only when I am in that city. Nothing of that sort. You decide for yourself what you want to get in life. And once you decide, that I think the strategy, if you do this course and apply strategy and you end up like that, that will be the happiest day, I think, for many of us. So I think give a big clap to Adeshji.
I would entirely endorse these views. Create yourself something new. I'm leaving these things with you. We are now working closely with many academic institutions. We have discussed with IPE. We'll have a joint program here also for the students. We are working in your project management curriculum that you can also, Professor Sai Kumar will announce that to you later. But these things which I have shown you here, it is the contents of the certificate in project management which I2P2M and PMA is promoting. You can see the contents which covers the entirety which we talked about. You can pick up this. This is for, I want to present one book to Professor Mishra, and this is Totality of Project Management. And these are these 7 sets of brochures on PMA Global Symposium. We would like to have few students, also 3 or 4 students. We will have some small test. We'll test it out, some people, whosoever scores best, then I will work out with him. They can come on a complimentary basis. Besides, professors can come. So I'll leave these things with him, and this program, one copy for him. This is the thing which you can see. The certificate in project management, again, will be a great thing for you to acquire. It covers finance, engineering, ROI, need-based, business case, its entirety. For example, ONGC, all their engineering trainees, 640, they go through this course in parallel. NTPC, 1,000 engineers. Especially the employability Today, CIP have more than 11,000 people in 500 companies. So your employability will also go up considerably because you have that extra. The whole game is that extraordinary, ordinary plus extra sugar, extra mile. Unless you have that extra, you will remain ordinary. And you need only small extra. Extra is not so big. Thank you very much.
Okay. This will ultimately go to library, but for the timing, I'll ask Srikant and Lakshmi. I think you all, one thing, in life, if you see a good person, you become good. In life, everything you can't have, but try to see the best. You can't read the whole book, but try to read at least. Nobody should say, I don't know Tennyson. Nobody should say, I don't know Longfellow. Nobody should say that I don't know Amrit Sen. We have to know these things. We must know. Today, you are talking about integration. Tennyson's poem is there. Tennyson says at one place, 40 cows grazing like one. What does it mean? Cows are 40, but when you see them from a distance, you feel there is only one cow because all of them are absorbed in one task willingly. It has not been imposed. So my friends, I wish all of you, you don't take orders in life. You order. You are your own ordering authority. You, I think, empower yourself. I was saying that see the best people, read the best books. You can't read all the books, but see at least their cover. Nobody should say, I have not seen Harvard Business Review. You feel very bad and sad. Therefore, please go and do, I think, this kind of thing. Every day you are doing something extraordinary. That day you say, I'll read a journal. Now my question to all of you is, and Sai Kumar sir will give 500 rupees for that. But if you don't answer, then I'll get that 500 rupees. My question is, we get in library a journal named Project Management. Can you tell me from which country their journal is published? I am asking you one thing, I am telling you, you have everything of the world with you. Don't say that only Anil Ambani has. Don't say that only Hamid Ansari has. Don't say only Pranab Mukherjee has. Don't say only Kumar Mangalam has. Don't say only Raha, the chief of the army staff. I work with all these people, they have. No, you have all those things with you. But you never know that you have. Now you have got this journal, we are spending 1 lakh rupees on that journal. Total, we are spending 4 lakh rupees a year. That journal is in library only at a stone's throw. But you have not seen. It is from UK. We are getting Harvard Business Review. We get long-range planning. We are talking of planning, long-range planning. How you will become different? You have to do some extra labor in life. I want to tell you, nothing will come like Einstein, when, or Newton, that something fell in the mouth, and that principle came of this gravitation. Then also you have to observe that. I request my dear friends, all of you, it's always good to talk, always good to have long telephone talks, TV, do all those things. But also read. I had some friends who would do all these things, but between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m., they were not seen anywhere. They all were reading in their rooms. These were the guys who were coming and taking us here and there. But 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., with 10 p.m. and 4 a.m., they are not available anywhere. When you go and see from the street, these fellows, they are reading and writing. They are the people. If you go, Madras, Loyola, how Loyola boys are different, 24 hours they are in library. I myself have taught in XIMB Bhubaneswar. And we will complete a course in 3 days, starting at 6 a.m., going up to 12 midnight. After 12 midnight, we will come to sleep. But these guys, they'll go to computer lab and work. I'll tell you one thing, in life, it is investment. If you invest time, your attention, you have so much reward in life. Nobody will tell you, you have come here. In my life, my mother and father never asked me what course I was doing, what was my job, how much money I was getting, to whom I am talking, to whom I am not talking, never they asked. Now your parents have sent you here. You have come to this course, means parents, they like you and they love you and they trust you. Again, I'll tell, please strengthen their trust by doing the best in life. Therefore, my request to all of you is, please go to library every day. You take a vow that half an hour you will go to library and see all these good journals. You will see books, the best books. See in Harvard what they teach in HRD. And what is the book that you are reading here? Why can't you read the same book here also? I'm okay or agree or disagree? Let Hyderabad become the Harvard of world.
Let's all get up and give a very warm, all get up, do some exercise.
First of all, I'd like to thank Jain Sahib for coming here, sparing his valuable time, one full day, sharing his rich knowledge and experience with all of us.